I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by importing your footage and making a sequence that matches your camera's sample rate and bit depth so nothing gets resampled. Once done, select the noisy clip and open the Essential Sound panel. Assign the clip as dialogue so Premiere exposes the repair tools. Now make sure the repair section is visible. That's where you'll access Reduce Noise and a hum. This quick setup unlocks the single, reliable workflow we'll use to clean dialogue without third-party plugins. With the clip assigned, move the Reduce Noise slider slowly while playing the section. Small increments matter. Listen for artifacts and breathiness. If you have a low-frequency hum, engage the hum and dial its frequency and depth. If room echo remains, add just a touch of the reverb. For complex, varying backgrounds, add the adaptive noise reduction effect from Effects and adjust its noise floor and smoothing. Make incremental tweaks, solo the track to compare, and always undo if dialogue starts. Once satisfied, normalize or match loudness using clip gain or the loudness radar to keep levels consistent across clips. Then render the audio and export a short test file. Listen on quality headphones and speakers to confirm clarity. If you detect artifacts or pumping, reduce the reduce noise or adaptive effect amount, or isolate the problem with spectral editing in a dedicated tool. However, usually lowering the reduction and compensating with EQ and automation fixes the issue without redoing work.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.